Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I'm here with an unboxing of Universe Bound book box, and this is one of many selections of this wonderful book box. This is the Universe Bound Pleasures book box, and this is $35 a month, and it is an adult book box, and I can't wait to get into this box. Now, there are a few selections with Universe Bound book box, and I will leave every bit of information that you need about this box in the description box below. So let's dive right into this box, because I don't want you to wait any longer, and honestly I can't wait any longer either, because I am curious to see what's in here and I need another book to read. So here's what it looks like when it comes to your door. Here's what it looks like when you first pop it open. And here is our itinerary. That's what I call it. And I just love the little stamp, little wax stamp we have going on there. Let's see. It tells me where I'm going on my adventure. Universe Bound Pleasures, January 2020. Contents and instruction sheets. All right, so now that we've removed our instruction sheets, I kind of discombobulated that box. We'll take out our stuffing that held everything together. And we have a box right here. So let's see, maybe we should cut it open. So let's see what's in this box. I think it's like our goodie box. Let's see here. All right, so that's what it, oh, more stuffing. More stuffing to hold everything together. All right, so, whoo, that's what it looks like. Let's see here. Let's set it down there. Okay, so first is, oh, okay. I love these things. These are our tea light infused tea light fuel cell liquid oil paraffin candles, and you get 5 of these. Come out of there. So you get 5 of these. I love these. Whoa, don't fall down. There are 5 of those. These are wonderful. We have, oh, I love that. Is this a soap saver? Charcoal soap, I believe. No, this is the African soap. It does smell so good. I love the soap. And then we have our reactive dust set, and I love this, and I am glad that I got this because I just used the last of it yesterday, and I'm so glad to have it. And this stuff smells like roses. I love it. And that is, like I always say, a bath bomb crushed up, and then you get your little scooper. You scoop it out. Love it. Cute little bag. I love these little bags. And, oh, my little goodie bag. Ooh. Ooh. Jack Daniel's fudge. That is wonderful. It says liquor infused fudge. Love it. I just have to have a piece of this right this moment. Yes, I do. That smells yummy. I don't need to have them all, but I will have a little bite of one of these. That's good. That is really good. I like that. I was never a big Jack Daniel's fan, but that's good. I like that. That is yummy, yummy-licious. I have another bag here. What is this, might I ask? Oh, I think I know. I think I just read it. Liquor-filled chocolate bottles. Let's see what chocolate I received. I can never say this. I am a bartender and I still can't say it. Contro, I can't never say it. There's that one. And then we have Drambuie. And then we have some vodka and a Galliano, and this is another vodka, I believe. And then we have a Jim Beam, and that's bourbon, yeah. And CC whiskey. Yeah, Canadian Club. Canadian Club. Oh, I dropped it. And then we have, oh goodness, the Famous Goose. Good Lord. And then Remy Martin. They're cute, right? So cute. I love that. What a nice added touch to an adult box. And we have an adult drinking card game. And this is called Inappropriate. And it is the game for mature folks. Inappropriate, tainted legends, only for adults. This is a fast-paced game, fun-filled, salacious card game for consenting mature adults. Gameplay can be as innocent as you want or as naughty as you like. 18 plus, 2 to 6 players, fast-paced. Can you imagine playing this with other people? Okay, let's see what's in here. If you're gonna get offended really fast and quick, well, I guess this might be the end of the video for you, because I can't get the box open. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, there is a timer and some dice that you have to set up because there's nothing on the dice. Okay, let's see what's in here. I think me and the hubby will definitely, and on there is, that's how you set the dice up, and it definitely says rub, stroke, touch, suck, kiss, and touch. And then on here are the cards. This is going to be very interesting. Let's see what some of the cards say. So there's one of the cards. Let's see here. And that is, oh boy. There's one of the cards. That's the 10. And there's a card. And there's a card, but I mean, that's not too bad, really. I mean, it doesn't show anything bad. I mean, it's just a set of buttons. Yeah, that's not bad. It doesn't show the actual body part, right? I don't think that's too bad. It didn't show the actual body part. So it says how to play. Let's see. Let's hear the instructions. Shall we hear the instructions? Here's the instructions. Last player to have some clothes on. How to win. The last player to have some clothes on, or the last player to still have cards. That's how you win. If you have clothes on or you still have cards, that's how you win. And how to play. You pass out 5 to 9 cards. The game starts with each player discarding a card. Highest card wins. 10 is the highest, but 0 trumps all cards. If 2 or more players discards a 0 card, the winner is determined through another round of card. The winner is determined through another round of cards discards. Highest card wins. Winner picks a player. The player must remove an article of clothing as indicated on the card. If the player does not have clothing, then the player must take a drink. The winner's choice. Roll the 3 dice 2 or more of the same action. Remember what I said the action was, and that was rub, touch, kiss, suck, kiss, touch, yeah, all that. The winner gets to choose what the player performs on the player's body indicated on the card. So, yeah. If the dice roll shows 3 different actions, then the winner may perform all 3 actions. How to play. Continue. All actions must be performed for the amount of seconds noted in the lower right-hand corner. Oh. 30 seconds. Oh my goodness. This game is, oh my goodness. If the winner decides not to perform any action, the winner must take a drink. Winner then draws from the deck to the initial 5 to 9 card deal. No other player may draw from the deck. If there are no more cards to draw, gameplay continues. New round begins until one player has no cards. The body card means any part of the losing round player's body may be acted on by way of action dice roll. The lips card means the winner may kiss the losing round player's lips or pick a body part to kiss. No action roll is required. Sounds pretty interesting. I don't think I'll be playing it with anybody but my husband. But it does sound pretty spicy. So that sounds like a pretty fun game, at least with my husband anyway. So thank you, James. This should be a pretty fun game. Thank you for sending that. This is a pretty cool box. I really like this. I like that you included a game in here and not just a book. That is a really cool idea. I like this. The book is called The Big Book of Orgasms. 69 Sexy Stories. Okay. What happens when you bring together 69 authors, pun intended, sharing their hottest orgasm stories? If you have top-notch erotica editor Rachel Kramer Bustle, you get The Big Book of Orgasms. This climatic collection captures top erotica writers serving up steamy scenarios, all focused on the big O. Whether getting off from exhibitionism, voyeurism, or a very special pair of blue jeans. What? Okay, the characters in the Big Book of Orgasms explore all sorts of ways they can come, go under the table with Elizabeth Caldwell, and cheer for the Pink Team by Kelly Rand, discover the thrill of hot wax or even hotter sex. These short stories bring the heat on every page, with a foreword by Ecstasy is Necessary author Barbara Carrellas. These are climaxes you'll want to relive again and again. Dr. Ruth said about Rachel Kramer Bustle, she is only satisfied if you come and come again. With this rousing read, The Big Book of Orgasms counts all the wonderful ways women get off, inspirational as well as aspirational. This book celebrates women's sexuality by reaching new heights of excellence. Each of the 69 stories about the Big O is a peak experience in and of itself. This sounds like it is going to be a big hit. I can't wait to read this book. I can't wait to read this. So this is definitely going to be a steamy book. 69 stories in this book too, so I can't wait to read this book. I definitely am intrigued to definitely read this, and I probably will get to reading it as soon as I finish this video, which this video is just about over. So if you would like to get your hands on this exact, hopefully this exact book, because all us ladies need this book in our life. And that game, I mean, this game, come on, who doesn't want to play this game? I mean, at least with your hubby or your significant other. I mean, it sounds like a lot of fun if you ask me. I would definitely get my hands on this box and these 2 items. You need these in your life and your bedroom. Definitely head on over to Cratejoy and click on the button and get yourself one of these boxes. And tell James I sent you. Don't forget to use my code because you will get a special discount. You need the discount. You'll save some money that way, right? Right. All right, guys. Well, that is it for this video. And I am so happy that you joined me for this video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this video, and more videos of adult videos, let me know. And I'm sure that I can arrange that for you. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because, well, you ain't gonna see no more of me unless you do. And I'll see you next time in my next video real soon. Bye, y'all.